Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to set up a settings for your custom module in Odoo 19 and how to create its view for your custom module. Now in today's lecture, we will gonna study about how to store the field in the settings. What I mean to say is when you go to the settings here in the library management, here you can see there is an integer field. Now if I'll add any of the value and click on save, you can see the value is not getting saved. Why? Because first, it is a transient model. So as I have mentioned earlier in the transient model lecture, that transient model only stores data for temporary, not for permanently. So how we can permanently store value in the custom settings of your Odoo module in Odoo 19. Let's see. In order to do that, all we need to do is add an attribute known as config underscore parameter. Let's go to the code. First, go to the code, go to the config setting model here. Here you can see there is our custom field and fields.integer. Now what I'll do, I'll simply here add an attribute known as config parameter is equals to, in quotes, first thing you have to write is the name of your module. What is my module name? It is rg underscore library management, then followed by dot, then your field name. What is our field name? Our field name is custom field. Control C, Control V. What I have done, I have simply added an attribute known as config parameter. Then in that I have added first our module name followed by the field name. What it will do, it will store the value of our custom field. Why we need to do this? Because by default transient model will not store any of the value. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading our module, we can simply go to the settings, open the library management setting and simply add any of the value and click on save. So as you can see, the value is now getting stored. Why? Because we have added config parameter. Now you must be wondering what exactly that config parameter is. It is generally Odoo provides a global variable storage for values which are here added in the settings. What is global value storage? In simple terms, it is a storage for all the settings. You can simply remember as that. So I hope this small topic had been understood by you. Just quickly summarize today's topic. In order to store the value in the settings of your custom module, all you need to do is first go to the code, search for your field, add the attribute config underscore parameter, then followed by your module name dot your field name. After that, quickly restart your server and upgrade your module. You will see your functionality working. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.